abarimu ba JSS ase county ya Kisii banyareko bagwesokia na koyemochia serikali yo hinse wizara y'ekisemi asogotaba asogotabarika sekonda ya Botambe hanemono nebanekero bakorere Meremo yabo gwetani umwaka oyo mubono nigo bono bagosereirie gwicha gukora omogiro ekero chisukuru kirachikuiranirwa umwaka muya gwikiri bubere 25 noyomo mutinyo mutangani abwase bono batebire buna serikali nebwendete ebigwe ebirero byabo nabo igoko bamenta eng'aria yabo
Haukwana nabaralia ritukolierera somo bagani oyo moimi mu Chobosongo nigo Joseph Binja oyole omuliki omonene wikiombe gya kupeta singereire buna nigo barachi ko babwatasia aborokia abo goika obwene bwabo bwaikiranigwe nabo igo kwenike buna chi junior secondary ngwetenenera chire buna gotumanya omulikito Wycliffe Orenge
N'aborokia b'eki skuru cha junior secondary be county ya Kisii.
For the union makes us strong.
Anana kigima bali bagosomya Meremo yege science bali barase kiombe gya kupet babwatanire n'abandi bensi ya Kenya bali kwemurunganira serikali yensi ya Kenya insi wizara y'ekisemi asogotaba marube a confirmation buna aborokia bali kire na serikali a century ya permanent and pensionable.
We as the science interns, we were given a 1-year internship program which is coming to an end. So we are urging, as it's written down under clause 4, which subcedes clause 10, which says that interns may extend their contract. So we are demanding to go to the first clause, which is 4, the confirmation of the serving interns.
Anena keni gawa mamochirie omuwaziri w'ekisemi Julius Migosogamba asekeria kwane chase getaseni yake mo kyoborere buna serikali yabekire chibesa ase budget ekyo aborokia abo barachikwakanwa na kubekwa ase nsemi ya permanent and pensionable amangana yoga na mamincha na yo muwaziri w'ekiganja John Mbadi oyote babuna serikali tebwa chibesa chokubalika aborokia abo bene.
Whole graduate getting 17,000. When you have been employed as an intern, you need to be remunerated very well. So for this case, as we are waiting for the government to bring on board another intern, the cohort of intern teachers, we need also that money to be increased to 30,000. At least a teacher will be able to meet 1 or 2 duties or engagements wants to do.
Kubasira aborokia abo ba junior secondary na baraiba kupet bakora wano molikyo manene w'ekiombe kyo Joseph Binja amano munyakiro go w'ekiombe kyo labane uko abo baje sabe serikali okegwekerero kya aborokia abo asobwango.
In the event there is a lot of instability in terms of this movement from junior school to senior school, there will be a lot of chaos in this country. So we want to ask the government through the Ministry of Education, submit what you are requested from Treasury.
Wanafaa nao wapate kandarasi ya nini ya kuonyesha kwamba wako permanent and pensionable, ili na wao wakifanya kazi wajue wanafanya kazi kama walimu wengine. Kwa saa hii kandarasi ambao walipewa ya mwaka mmoja ni kudunisha hadhi ya mwalimu, kudunisha hadhi ya walimu wa sayansi na kuonyesha kwamba serikali haijatilia maanani kuhakikisha kwamba STEM na masomo ya sayansi yanatiliwa mkazo, kwa sababu nchi hii haiwezi endelea bila sayansi kupewa nafasi yake katika jamii.
Nigo aborokia abo bate babuna barabote bari gukwanchirana kolika omukatabo muyabo mwako yomo abo asaba gosereria buna tibari gochakwera Meremo ekero chikuru chire iguru mwako mujya.
We want to assure the government of Kenya that we as the science moguls, we have done what was required of us faithfully, but we are confirming that no confirmation, no renewal. Moguls power.
January, if there is no confirmation, no class, no STEM, Sans Mogul power. Sans Mogul power.
Joseph Binja negata bauna skulu ya junior secondary nigo chibwenera tagwetenenera nego chiruisigwe asobrai bwachiria chia comprehensive.
I heard you say that you want to continue having our junior school teachers in the comprehensive schools. We want again to warn you that going forward, these are independent institutions. So we want to have this institution being independent, that is autonomous. Autonomy viva! Viva! Autonomy viva! Viva! In terms of administration, in terms of execution of duties, these teachers, we want to stand by themselves. So that is our stand as Kupet Kisii and Kupet Kenya.
Ginko reporteria Ensoko TV kurua se county ya Kisii, editoriane Wycliffe Orenge.
For the union makes us strong. Power!